Little Piggy ran away in the sunshine of the day, captured by a sneaky hand, taken from the happy land. Piglet cried a tiny squeal, missing mom, it felt surreal. Locked away in a mean old barn, dreaming of the lovely farm. Piggy's great escape is near, friends around to fight the fear. Through the fields and past the trees, back to where it loves to be. Rescue plan they all devise, in the moonlight they arise. Sneak into the old man's shed, time to free the piggy red. Running wild across the plain, happiness it reigns again. Reunited with a heart, safe